Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing ways to make a public profile on Snapchat. So in order to make a public profile on Snapchat, so if you're above 18 plus, then you're eligible to make a public profile. But if you're not 18 plus, then you'll not be able to see the certain options. So in order to begin with, first of all, you need to make changes with your settings. So for that, go to your Bitmoji, go to the gear icon. From here, you'll need to go to privacy control. Underneath, whatever is selected on only me or my friends only, you'll need to make changes with that. So you have to enable, since you're making it public profile, so you have to enable it to public. After you've done making changes, head back to the same page here and you'll be able to see create public profile. In my case, I already have a public profile. What you need to do is, in order to create a public profile, all you have to do is just tap create public profile, and after that it's going to take you to another interface where you need to go and read all of the statements. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all sort of details. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to create a profile, just add a bio, give a title, and add username, and then you also need to add profile picture and all that. So in this way you can make public profile on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.